This is a quick and easy way to create decorations out of rice paper. We will need rice paper, edible colors, a brush, flexible silicone mat, scissor, and gold colors. We'll start by cutting the rice paper to the size required. This material can be used for a variety of applications, starting with dressing figurines, creating sails, or other types of decorations. Now, depending on the size of the rice paper, you will need to choose a smaller or larger silicone mat. Start by hydrating the rice paper using warm water, about 40 degrees Celsius. Smaller pieces of rice paper can be hydrated without a support. For large pieces or easy maneuvering, I will suggest you to use a silicone mat as a support. Rice paper can be hydrated using cold or warm water. Using warm water will speed up the process of hydrating. Once the rice paper looks nice and smooth and is fully hydrated, you can apply some coloring by simply dipping the brush into the color. I'm using edible paint, but it works as well with gel colors or airbrush colors, whatever you've got available. The hydrated rice paper should be maneuvered with care as it's quite fragile. In some applications, you will notice that it works better if you apply a very thin layer of glycerin. Glycerin will slow down the process of drying, but it will maintain the flexibility of the rice paper for a bit longer. Sails made out with or without glycerin look identical, but the ones with glycerin are a bit more soft and bendable, while the ones with no glycerin are quite brittle. Sails made out with no glycerin will dry in front of a fan in about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Sails made with glycerin will take longer, up to 3 to 4 hours to dry. For a sparkly effect, you can paint the edges with some gold color. Mix some gold dust with oil-based essence or alcohol and just brush the edges. To speed up the process of setting, peel away from the silicone mat the sails after about half an hour and place them in front of the fan. Hope this video will inspire you and it will help you to create your next project. Good luck!